Hi, I'm David Copperfield. I'm an illusionist. I'm a good guy. Penn Jillette? Well, you might think he's a good guy. And lately he's been kissing babies and playing in Las Vegas. He's been giving to charities. But there's a truth that from years of knowledge, I feel compelled to share. He's a bad guy. In fact, I just happened to look in the Encyclopedia Britannica, a very trusted tome, under bad guy. And like the old joke, but it goes even further than that. I decided to look at the letter D. We have Charles Dickens, James Dickey. It doesn't stop there. And as Penn will tell you, if it's written, it's got to be true.
Help me be a bad guy.